Hello, dear friends. Life coach, motivational speaker will be discussing with you some wonderful quotations which will fire up your life. My dear friends, if you want to get success in life, you will have to make your attitude wonderful. How? Go stronger from the pain and don't let it destroy you. A positive attitude will lead you to positive outcomes. Don't try to impress people. Try to inspire them. Things turn out for people who make the best out of the way turnout. Revenge is not in my plan. I will succeed and do better. Attitudes are nothing more than habits of thought. If you like me, then raise your hands. If not, then raise your standard. Rivers never go reverse. So try to live like a river. Forget past and focus on future. Be patient with yourself. Two things define you: your patience when you are nothing, and your attitude when you have everything. If opportunity does not knock, build a door, dear friends. Don't take my kindness as a sign of weakness. The only difference between a good day and a bad day is your attitude. Instead of making them feel special every day and get disappointed, try motivating yourself. Then you can think, I am not failed, my success is just postponed. You have two choices: become a boss or work for one. I am what I am. I will never try to be someone else. If you are going to speak bad things about me behind my back, then come to me. I will tell you more. Attitude is a little thing that makes a big difference in life. Never get so attached that you accept being disrespected, used, lied to, or cheated on. A great attitude to have in life is to learn how to be prepared for the worst, but also know how to expect the best in life. If you don't like something, change it. If you can't change it, change the way you think about it. A positive attitude may not solve our problems, but that is the only option we have if we want to get out of problems. Always surround yourself with people who have dreams, desires, and ambition. They will help you to push and realize your own. It is your decisions and not your conditions that determine your destiny. A positive attitude gives you power over your circumstances instead of your circumstances having power over you. My dear friends, if you want to enjoy your life, have positive attitude mindset. A rich mindset is going to give you some superb class. Just enjoy your life. Love you all. Wait till my next video. If you liked this video, spread it to all your friends, family members. All the best. Thank you very much.